If you have never been happy with your sweater fit, or perhaps you've never knit a sweater before, then this is the perfect course for you. This year-long comprehensive course will help you get a sweater that fits. It is running from September until August, and every month there will be new content and classes that will be delivered to you. You will have the option of either making one single payment that covers you for the full year, or you can use a very handy 12-month payment plan that will take the same payment out over 12 months. Either way, the course is yours to keep forever. This course will start with the basics, teaching you how to measure yourself, how to knit a swatch and how to measure it, and then how you put that together and pick your pattern size. From here, we'll take a look at different shoulder constructions such as drop shoulder, raglan, set-in sleeves, and many more. And every 2 months, you will get 3 patterns that will cover each of those construction styles, but with a range of difficulty. So you can pick what kind of difficulty level you would like to do. We will also work through different yarn options, how you can pick something from your stash if you've got stash that you can use, and we'll also have some yarn kit recommendations if you want to get a particular yarn that was from the pattern. Every month there will be a live class on Zoom with a Q&A session where we will take a look at that particular shoulder construction style, deconstruct those patterns and figure out how you would make different modifications for that particular pattern style. Past students of this course have found that when you participate in the live sessions, you really do get the most out of the class because it allows you to get very personalized feedback on your own modification needs. Over the year, we'll look at 15 different patterns and possible modifications for those different pattern styles. And we're going to wrap up the year with a custom pattern where you can put in the gauge of any yarn you want to use and your own pattern sizes so that you can work on a sweater that fits your body exactly. There is absolutely no pressure as you work your way through this course to complete any number of sweaters. Go at your own pace, take your time, complete the number of sweaters that is comfortable for you. The important part is that you are working through the sweaters and you're learning as you go. In fact, it's not even necessary to complete a sweater to fully understand the construction style. All you need to do is participate and mentally work through the different steps involved in the different constructions. These classes and lessons are designed to give you the tools that you need going forward to apply to any sweater you knit for years to come. So it doesn't matter what style you're doing, you understand how you'll be able to modify it and how it's going to work best for your body style. To get an idea of the topics that we'll be covering in this course, you can download our curriculum overview and see what we're going to be doing over the 12 months. And remember that it is a 12-month period. There is no rush and it is yours to keep forever. So even if you can't take full use of it as we're going through each stage, it's there for you to dip in and out of for years to come as you knit your sweaters so that you know that you will always get a perfect fit.